We all want to remember the lives we've lived and the people we've loved. Our photographs, art, family heirlooms, and other keepsakes have deep sentimental value. These objects tell the story of our lives, and they can't always be replaced. This is a story about a group of art restorers working tirelessly to serve those affected by disaster, to help them hang on to their most cherished memories. We are Art Recovery Technologies, and since 2001, we have been helping people throughout the country restore their art and collectibles damaged by water, fire, and vandalism. From paintings, sculptures, and fine antiques, to family heirlooms and photographs, our team of highly trained artists work hard every day to restore damaged art and collectibles, because the thought of losing cherished memories can be heartbreaking. And because every second counts after a disaster, we have experts available around the country who are trained to meticulously handle and pack out delicate works of art and valuable collectibles. Each piece will be properly secured and transported to our studio, where master artists will assess the damage and create an estimate for the restoration work. The cleaning and restoration work can be completed on-site or at our secure studio, where we use advanced techniques and proprietary chemicals and technologies. We deodorize, remove mold and soot, vacuum press, and offer digital restoration, custom framing, in-painting, patching, relining, frame repair, and more. We do all this efficiently and to the highest quality standards, as our national headquarters quality management system is certified to ISO 9001. And our restoration team members have various fine art degrees and continue to work in the art community. We do all this because we want our customers to know that they can count on us. Art Recovery Technologies. Restoring memories. Learn more at art-us.com.